Google's Aeneas AI tool. Restoring ancient Roman inscriptions with machine learning. Imagine being able to uncover the secrets of the ancient Roman world, hidden within the worn and damaged inscriptions that have survived for centuries. But here's the challenge. Making sense of these ancient texts can be a daunting task, even for the most seasoned scholars. That's where Google's innovative AI tool, Aeneas, comes in, a game-changing technology that's about to revolutionize the field of ancient history. But before we dive into the details, let's set the stage. The Romans were prolific producers of inscriptions, leaving behind a vast array of texts that offer a unique glimpse into life in the ancient world. From elaborate monument walls to humble epitaphs on tombs, these inscriptions are a treasure trove of information, covering everything from decrees and political graffiti to love poems and business records. And this is the part that's really exciting. Aeneas, named after the mythical Trojan hero, is an AI tool that uses machine learning to predict where and when inscriptions were made, and even suggests words to fill in the gaps where the text is missing or damaged. But how does it work? The team at Google, led by Augustus Res Gestae, collaborated with historians to create Aeneas, training it on a massive database of nearly 200,000 known inscriptions. That's a staggering 16 million characters. The result is a tool that can take a text or image from an inscription and build a list of related inscriptions from across the ancient Roman world, spanning from the 7th century BC to the 8th century AD. But here's where it gets really interesting. Aeneas doesn't just search for similar words. It identifies deeper historical connections between inscriptions, allowing it to assign study text to one of 62 Roman provinces and estimate when it was written to within 13 years. And in cases where the text is damaged or missing, Aeneas provides potential words to fill in the gaps. But don't just take our word for it. In a test run, researchers used Aeneas to analyze a vast inscription carved into monuments around the Roman Empire, and the results were nothing short of astonishing. Aeneas came up with 2 potential dates for the work, echoing the debate among scholars who argue over the same dates. And in another test, Aeneas analyzed inscriptions on a votive altar from Mogontiacum, now Mainz in Germany, revealing subtle linguistic similarities that showed how it had been influenced by an older votive altar in the region. As Dr. Thea Sommerschield, a historian at the University of Nottingham who developed Aeneas, put it, "Those were jaw-dropping moments for us." But what does this mean for the field of ancient history? According to Mary Beard, a professor of classics at the University of Cambridge, Aeneas promises to be transformative, enabling a wider range of people to work on the texts and improving our understanding of the ancient world. And Jonathan Pragg, a co-author and professor of ancient history at the University of Oxford, notes that Aeneas could be run on the existing corpus of inscriptions to see if the interpretations could be improved. But here's the thing. While Aeneas is a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for human scholarship. It's a tool that requires critical thinking and expertise to use effectively. So what do you think? Will Aeneas revolutionize the field of ancient history, or are there limitations to its use? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the question that we want to leave you with. As we continue to develop and refine tools like Aeneas, what other secrets of the ancient world will we uncover, and how will they challenge our understanding of history? Aeneas. Transforming ancient history research with AI. Imagine unlocking ancient secrets lost for centuries with just a few clicks. Sounds almost like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet, this is now a reality for historians, thanks to Aeneas, a groundbreaking artificial intelligence system that's completely reshaping how we interpret fragments from the ancient world. Intrigued? You should be. Because here's the twist. Aeneas doesn't just speed up scholarship. It fundamentally challenges what it means to reconstruct and understand the past. The hidden world of Roman inscriptions. Written language was the lifeblood of the Roman world, engraved on everything from majestic monuments to personal utensils. These inscriptions, whether heartfelt poems, humorous graffiti, burial epitaphs, business receipts, party invitations, or mystical charms, open a fascinating window into the bustling diversity of daily Roman life. The challenge? Centuries have not been kind. Many of these texts reach us battered by time, worn down, shattered, or even purposefully altered. This leaves historians with the daunting task of trying to decipher, restore, and date incomplete messages, sometimes based on only the faintest clues. But here's what makes things tricky. Traditional approaches require painstaking detective work. Historians dig through references and parallels, looking for matches in style, linguistic conventions, or historical context. It's slow, uncertain work. So, what if a computer could do in seconds what took experts days or weeks? Enter Aeneas, the future of contextualizing ancient texts. Today marks a pivotal moment with the publication of a seminal paper in Nature unveiling Aeneas, a collaboration led by Google DeepMind and world-leading scholars from the universities of Nottingham, Warwick, Oxford, and Athens University of Economics and Business. Aeneas stands as the first ever AI model designed to provide deep contextual understanding for ancient inscriptions, guiding their restoration, attribution, and interpretation. Aeneas acts as an expert assistant, scouring through an enormous database of Latin inscriptions. With astonishing speed, it draws connections, parallels, across all kinds of texts using advanced reasoning, finding shared phrases, similar grammatical forms, recurring formulas, or comparable regional origins. For historians, this isn't just a time saver. It's a leap in pattern recognition, allowing them not only to reconstruct damaged texts, but to grasp their meaning and place in the wider web of Roman history. And this is the part most people miss. Aeneas isn't limited to Latin or engraved stone. Its underlying technology can be adapted for other ancient languages, material types, and even media like papyrus or coins. The potential reach is enormous, transforming how we make sense of evidence from civilizations worldwide. Accessible and open for all. Determined to maximize impact, the team has made Aeneas freely available. Whether you're a university researcher, a curious student, a museum curator, or simply passionate about the ancient world, you can try Aeneas interactively at predictingthepast.com. For developers and data scientists, the code and unique Latin epigraphic dataset, LED, with more than 176,000 inscriptions, are open-sourced at github.com/google-deepmind/predictingthepast. This massive trove is drawn from authoritative databases like the epigraphic databases Roma, Heidelberg, and Klaus-Slaby, painstakingly cleaned, linked, and harmonized to achieve the highest reliability. What makes Aeneas special? Inspired by its namesake, the legendary wanderer Aeneas from Greco-Roman mythology, the system stands on the shoulders of its predecessor, Ithaca, an earlier AI built to restore Greek inscriptions. But Aeneas is even more capable. A parallels search. Imagine every inscription represented as a unique, historical fingerprint. Aeneas instantly identifies deep connections to related texts, giving historians richer, more precise context. A multimodal processing. It's the first system to use both text and visuals like a photo of a broken stone, unlocking new pathways for determining where a text originated. Filling uncertain gaps. For the very first time, Aeneas can successfully guess missing portions of unknown length, a breakthrough for fragments with large or irregular breaks. A benchmark performance. The model sets new records in reconstructing and dating ancient texts, outperforming even other advanced language models trained in Latin. The model in action: how Aeneas thinks. Aeneas is a sophisticated neural network that combines the latest advances in machine learning. Think of it like a master detective. It ingests an inscription's text and image, then encodes them into embeddings, high-dimensional representations that capture every detail: language, place, date, and relation to other texts. When given a fragment, Aeneas retrieves the closest matches from the LED database, helping guide historians toward restoration, understanding, and confident dating. What about performance? On inscriptions with up to 10 missing characters, Aeneas restores the original text with 73% success in its top 20 guesses. Even when the length of missing passages is unknown, a notoriously tough challenge, it still gets it right 58% of the time. For geographic placement, it correctly attributes inscriptions to one of 62 Roman provinces with 72% accuracy, based in part on visual clues. When it comes to dating, Aeneas reliably assigns texts within 13 years of scholarly estimates. Not only does the AI provide predictions, it highlights which parts of the inscription drove its conclusions, making its reasoning transparent. Rewriting the rules of historical debate. Now, here's where things get truly fascinating, and possibly divisive for traditional historians. To put Aeneas to the test, researchers fed it a hotly debated classic, The Residential Gesti Divi Augusti, Emperor Augustus monumental list of achievements. The true date of this inscription remains fiercely debated. Rather than force a single answer, Aeneas produced a nuanced distribution of possible dates, reflecting both leading scholarly theories. One cluster around 10 to 1 BC and another, more confident, between 10 to 20 CE. By factoring in linguistic patterns, official titles, and references to monuments, Aeneas converted subjective guesswork into clear, data-driven estimates, potentially challenging long-held academic positions. Even more compelling, the AI uncovered parallels with imperial legal texts connected to Augustus, highlighting just how propaganda and imperial ideology spread throughout the empire across different artifacts. Human plus AI. A partnership, not a replacement. So, does this mean historians are out of a job? Far from it. To explore how best to use Aeneas, the team ran a large-scale collaborative study with 23 active historians. The result? The most accurate reconstructions occurred when experts and Aeneas worked hand in hand. Historians brought strategic judgment, the AI brought speed, scale, and new connections. Participants consistently remarked how Aeneas exposed overlooked parallels and gave them greater confidence in tackling challenging epigraphic puzzles. Aeneas isn't just a tool. It's a new way of doing history, designed to slip seamlessly into academic workflows.